Noah and the dedicated Oscar Mike team have come a long way from when the foundation was first created, but they have no plans on slowing down and are constantly looking for different ways to improve the compound grounds and the experience that it provides for its special visitors.
Ryan!
How are you, friend?
I'm wonderful. Good to see you, my friend.
Hey, I can't thank you enough and the team at ARS for coming to help us out. I know we got a lot going on, so let's go inside and check it out.
Awesome. Let's go.
All right. All right, Scott, so welcome to the Oscar Mike compound.
Awesome.
All right, Scott, so we got a lot going on here in this house, and I understand you guys are not doing one, but 3 systems.
3 HVAC systems today, a furnace, an air conditioner, and a furnace and air conditioning combination.
So, Scott, one of the challenges that we have here at Oscar Mike is a lot of the guys, they can't regulate their own temperature. Some of them actually don't sweat. So regulating temperature is very, very important in the facility. So how do you guys manage that?
So the first thing we do with every installation is we do a load calc, and we go on the hottest day of summer and the coldest day of winter, what capacity or what size furnace and air conditioning system do we need to keep your home comfortable? Second thing that we do at ARS is we guarantee all of our installations with 4 comprehensive guarantees, including a comfort guarantee where we say the system is going to operate to 1 degree of your desired set point. And then we also back everything up with a 100% unconditional money-back guarantee. So if they ever face problems or issues that they're not able to regulate it, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'll come out, we'll rebalance the system, we'll do anything necessary to achieve the level of comfort that they're looking for. The third thing that we do is with our partnership with Nest, we're installing Nest thermostats today that will allow all the residents to be able to control the comfort of that system right from their phone, their tablet, or laptop computer.
I'm originally from Maine, but I live in Florida, so some of the heating and cooling systems are different. This looks like a heat pump for the air conditioning, but what do you do for heat, and what are the differences as far as like in the climates that we're at?
Sure, so obviously in South Florida, you're more concerned with, hey, I gotta keep my house cool 9 months out of the year. In Illinois, we're more worried about, hey, we gotta keep our house warm 9 months out of the year. So we use traditional air conditioning only systems with gas-fired furnaces inside the home.
Along with supporting the ever-growing veteran community, ARS has taken their initiatives a step further through their life-changing program, ARS Cares, providing 80+ cost-free HVAC units each year to families in need.
What was the motivation for you guys to get involved in what we're doing here?
This just happens to hit home with us, an opportunity not only to give back to the community, but give back to the folks who put their lives on the line to defend the freedoms that we have in the United States. We actively, through various veteran organizations, various veteran job fairs and career fairs, look to hire veterans in each of our branches.
You know, that's really amazing, and I can't thank you guys enough for all that you're doing. You're making a major impact, and myself and Oscar Mike, thank you guys so much for everything you've been doing.
Thank you very much. We're happy to do so.
All right,
thank you.
Friend.